Hey, my name's TJ. I'm going to show you how to make money by scrapping metal. So watch this little video. You need some kind of a truck with a hitch and a good empty trailer. And then find some scrap metal, hot water tanks, metal doors. Be sure you look for copper and brass fittings that you can take off of any item you're going to scrap. You can take those separate and you get a lot more money for that. You might also find some aluminum. But whatever you do, don't spend a lot of time on the little stuff. You just have to stockpile the copper and aluminum and brass until you get a big load, and that'll be a lot of good money one day. Most of the metal, the scrap metal, is considered sheet metal. So that's what we're dealing with today. You can find scrap where you least expect it. People store things, such as shelving. It's a good scrap item. This guy's going to give me all this scrap metal just to get it out of his way. Actually, I'm charging him to clean up his area. So I'm going to get paid to clean up, then I'm going to get paid to scrap it. That's the way you do it. All this stuff come out of an old Walmart sale at an auction. They decided they couldn't use it. Free scrap means get a good load of metal that you can drive down the road safely. Be sure to tie it off real good. Make sure you have the right air pressure in your tires and your tires are good on your trailer. Make sure it's not pulling your truck down to the ground too much. And take it to the scrap yard that pays the most for scrap metal. This is classified as sheet metal, so whoever pays the most. Make sure you have a safety chain attached to the hitch in case it comes off the ball.